Our dear parents, a warm welcome to all of you today, the first ever annual day performance of Sri Vasistha, the school.
The theme of today's event is
Namaskruti,
the rhythms of Himalayas. This event is dedicated to parents. It is a heartfelt tribute to your tireless efforts every single day.
Chairperson and Managing Director, Sri Vasistha Group of Schools and Colleges, Srimati Premila Rani Lingamaneni.
We have a lot packed up for you today, and we would like to begin the evening with announcing the arrival of our chief guests and dignitaries for the day. Our boys will soon be escorting the chief guests, and we are just waiting for the chief guests to join the formation.
Joining us today, Chairperson and Managing Director, Sri Vasistha Group of Schools and Colleges, Srimati Premila Rani Lingamaneni.
General Manager, Sri Vasistha Group of Schools and Colleges, and General Manager, Steps the School, Mr. Yedla Vamshi Chandra.
Dean, Sri Vasistha Group of Schools and Colleges, Mr. Shrikant Poda, and the Dean, Steps the School, Mr. and Mrs. Razma Feroz Ma'am.
Accompanying them are the Center Head, Sri Vasistha the School, Mr. Teja Sai Miryala.
And Principal, Sri Vasistha the School, Mr. and Mrs. Sheshu Fani Ma'am.
Take their seats as our chief
Chairperson and Managing Director, Sri Vasistha Group of Schools and Colleges, Srimati Premila Rani Lingamaneni Madam. Please welcome ma'am.
General Manager, Sri Vasistha Group of Schools and Colleges, and General Manager, Steps the School, Mr. Yedla Vamshi Chandra.
Dean, Sri Vasistha Group of Schools and Colleges, Mr. Shrikant Poda sir.
And Dean, Steps the School, Mrs. Razma Feroz.
Accompanying them are the Center Head, Sri Vasistha the School, Mr. Teja Sai Miryala.
And Principal, Sri Vasistha the School, Mrs. A. Seshufani.
Escorting the dignitaries are our spirited boys of grade 7 and 8 who are ready to lead the way with their march past.
Their synchronized steps reflected unity, and their confidence reflects the values of our institution. With heads held high and hearts filled with pride, our young cadets moved in perfect rhythm to escort our esteemed chief guests to their seats of honor.
Dear parents, today when you see them march with such confidence, remember it all began with small steps you once held and guided, from holding your fingers to walking into formation. What a beautiful journey it has been.
So let us welcome our chief guest with a big round of applause.
Big round of applause. In the presence of our chief guest, dignitaries of the day, our dear teachers, our loving students, it is our absolute honor to welcome our partners in this journey of education, our wonderful parents.
Behind every confident child standing on the stage today, behind every achievement, every medal, every report card, there is a silent force working behind.
A patient guide, a constant cheerleader, that force is you, the beloved parents of our beloved students.
And as you would all know, from waking up early to pack tiffins, to staying awake late during exams, from encouraging during failures and to celebrating the smallest victories.
You are the first teachers and the strongest pillars and the safest shelter for your children. So, with gratitude in our hearts, we the staff, the management and the students of Sri Vasistha, the school, bow in gratitude to say two simple words that often remain unspoken.
Thank you. So through songs, dances, drama and heartfelt performances, our students will express today what sometimes they may not say at home. How deeply they love, respect and cherish you.
So, sit back, relax and allow us to take you on a beautiful journey of emotions. A journey filled with love, laughter, memories and gratitude.
And as we begin the journey, please allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Amandeep. I take classes for communication skills at Himalayas Block. And my co-host today, a familiar face that you all know, Vice Principal Sri Vasistha the School, Mrs. D. Sneha Mai, also known as our beloved Sneha Ma'am. She is a familiar face for all of you, but what you might not know or what you might not see often is that she's an efficient administrator who ensures that everything in the school runs smoothly. A passionate educator who steps into the classroom to teach science and general awareness, inspiring curiosity in young minds. In the span of a day, she dons many hats. She manages meetings, mentors, teachers, guides, students, plans, activities, solves challenges, and still finds the energy to walk into a class with a smile. Her enthusiasm is contagious.
Ma'am, enough about me, Aman ma'am. Thank you so much.
And her smile is bright, as you can all see. She is truly the dynamic force.
Please, I request enough about me for the today. And so let us begin the festival, shall we? No, I'm not at all satisfied with your voice. Shall we start the program?
That's
No,
more like
I'm not
it.
at all satisfied. Aman ma'am, do you satisfied?
Ma'am, for welcome dance, this is okay. When their doom-dam performances come, I think they'll get the energy.
Shall we begin? Yes, now we'll begin. To formally commence the show, I request our chief guest and dignitaries to please come on to the stage for ceremonial lighting of the lamp.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
light the lamp, let this flame remind us that parents are the first light in every child's life.
विनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठे गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठे गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं
With the lamp lit, may this evening shine bright with talent and gratitude.
Behind every successful institution stands strong leadership. And we found that leader in our beloved principal ma'am, a face that greets you with warmth and bright smile as you stop into the school each time in a career spanning across 2.5 decades. She started as a teacher and quickly rose to several ranks. And today, it is our absolute pleasure to have her as the principal of Sri Vasistha, the school.
Under her guidance, our school has continued to grow, not only in academic excellence, but also in character and culture. A master juggler who perfectly balances excellence with empathy. A wonderful people's leader who's always approachable, understanding, and ready to listen. Whether it is a student facing a challenge, a teacher seeking guidance, or a parent looking for reassurance, she handles every situation with patience, wisdom, and remarkable problem solving skills. She reminds us every day that true leadership is not about control, but about connection.
It's our absolute pleasure to welcome the force behind Sri Vasistha, the school, our beloved principal ma'am, to present the school annual report. Please welcome ma'am. Please welcome her with a huge round of applause. Big round of applause. Please ma'am.
Thank you, Aman and Sneha ma'am. Respected Chief Guest, Mrs. Pramila Rani Madam, Honorable dignitaries on the dais, our respected GM Vamshi Sir and Dean Srikant Sir, Steps Dean Razma Ma'am, and Academic Dean Praveena Ma'am. Esteemed parents, dedicated teachers, and all my dear students, a good evening to one and all. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to welcome you all to our first annual day celebrations. On this memorable occasion, I feel the honor to present the annual report of our school for the academic year 2025-26, a year filled with learning, growth, innovation, and achievements. Our school believes in providing quality education enriched with strong values. We are committed to nurturing young minds by focusing not only on academic excellence but also on character building, confidence, creativity, and compassion. Guided by our vision of holistic education, we strive to develop students academically, socially, emotionally, and morally, preparing them to face future challenges with integrity and courage. During this academic year, our school catered the students from grade nursery to 8th classes, supported by a team of dedicated teachers and non-teaching staff who worked tirelessly for the overall development of the student. Academic remained a cornerstone of our institution. Through structured teaching, innovative methodologies, and regular assessments, our students showed consistent improvement and commendable performance. One of the distinctive strengths of a school is the 0-hour period, which specially focuses is given to strengthening the basic concepts of all subjects, building clarity and confidence, inculcating ethics, discipline, and moral values. To prepare students for competitive success, we introduced IIT and NEET Foundation classes for grades 6 to 10, helping students build strong conceptual knowledge and analytical thinking skills at an early stage. Our students also actively participated in Olympiads and competitive examinations, bringing pride and recognition to our institutions. Learning at a school extends beyond textbooks. We organized quizzes, debates, science exhibitions, and various club activities throughout the year. A special initiative introduced this year is Saturday No Bag Day. The first half is dedicated to oral drilling and reinforcement of the concepts. And the post-lunch, the session is reserved for games and engaging activities. This initiative ensures joyful learnings and balanced development. Sports and fitness play a vital role in shaping discipline and teamwork. Students actively participate indoor and outdoor games, yoga and fitness activities. The annual sports meet was conducted with a great enthusiasm, encouraging sportsmanship and leadership among the students. To nurture hidden talents of the students, we conducted special activity classes including chess, abacus, Vedic mathematics, self-defense, calligraphy, dance, and music. These programs enhance concentration, creativity, confidence, and personality development. The cultural vibrancy of a school was reflected through music, dance, drama, and art activities conducted throughout the year. Celebrations of national festivals and special assemblies strengthened our students' appreciation for rich heritage. The performances you will witness today are the results of the dedication, practice, and teamwork. Along with academics, strong emphasis was placed on value education, discipline, empathy, and leadership. Throughout the students' council activities and house systems, students learned responsibility and cooperation. At this moment, I would like to specially acknowledge the strong pillars of our institution, our backbone, GM Vamshi sir and Dean Srikant sir. Their visionary guidance, constant encouragement, and strategic leadership have played a crucial role in shaping the progress and success of a school. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to our respected chief guest, Mrs. L. Pramila Rani ma'am, for gracing this occasion and inspiring us with her presence. My sincere thanks to our management, teachers, parents, and all dear students for their unwavering support and trust. As we look back with pride at our achievements, we move forward with renewed determination and confidence. Together with unity, dedication, and vision, we are sure to reach greater heights in upcoming years. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Have a wonderful evening. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for summing up 1 year of triumphs into a few minutes and for reminding us that education is strongest when school and parents walk hand in hand. Behind every successful institution stands a visionary. And continuing in that list, I would now like to request Core Dean Steps the School, Praveena ma'am, to please address the gathering.
A warm welcome to all of you. Respected chief guest, our beloved chairman and an MD of Vasishta Group of Institutes, L. Pramila Rani ma'am, and distinguished guests, dear parents, dedicated teachers, and of course, our beloved students. A warm welcome to all of you and a great evening. Well, today we gathered here for Namaskruti, the rhythms of Himalayas. We are not merely celebrating an annual day, it's a celebration of values, culture, perseverance, and excellence. Because we have witnessed the young children dance here welcoming all the dignitaries. It was so heartwarming and heartfelt. I really liked it. Appreciation from my end to all the young kids who are yet to perform here on the stage. Well, I'll not take much of your time, but this particular branch is named after the gigantic Himalayas. Himalayas stand tall, the majestic, the resilient, and the timeless. Yes, we all know that. Well, it is known for its serenity, height, and humility, and the grandeur and grace. We all witness it. So at Sri Vasishta, we strive to nurture not just the students in their spirit, but we try to rise high in knowledge, yet remain grounded in their character, which is the very important trait for any human being. Well, every performance we witness here, I think it is the confidence blooming, the talent unfolded, and the dreams taking shape under the visionary leadership of our beloved chairperson. And the Vasishta continues to blend academic excellence with cultural richness. And we believe that education is not just about marks, but we try to build confident students and beautiful human beings who are kind at heart and very, very elegant in every step they move forward. So, just like the Himalayas, children, your potential is limitless. I believe in it, I strongly believe in it, and we all believe in it. So let this evening be filled with rhythm, grace, and celebration. Thank you. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for reminding us and reinforcing our belief that the name Himalayas is equivalent to the potential of our students here in this institution.
Under her visionary leadership,
Behind every successful institution stands a visionary, a leader who just does not manage a school, but nurtures a dream of shaping young minds. Our next guest on the podium has a passion for education that goes beyond textbooks and classrooms. She believes that true education shapes character, builds confidence, and ignites curiosity in every child.
under her visionary leadership, steps, the school has grown not only in the strength but also in spirit. She has always placed child welfare at the heart of every decision, ensuring that every student feels safe, valued, and empowered to dream big. An educator who embodies dedication, compassion, and unwavering commitment to education. Ma'am, your commitment reminds us that education is not just about preparing students for exam, but preparing them for life. Today, it is my immense privilege and honor to welcome the Dean, steps the school. Razma ma'am, I now request to come up on the stage and address the gathering. Please be a round of applause.
Good evening to our beloved chairman, ma'am, Srimati Lingamaneni Pramila Rani Garu, and other dignitaries on the dais, and my lovely little children, and the parents of Himalaya branch Sri Vasishtas. A very good evening to one and all. No voice. Very good evening. Be energetic, sir. Your children are participating. Your applauses are blessings to them today. Very good evening to one and all. These schools, while we begin, I traveled since from the day beginning, and I imbibe what my chairman ma'am's dream, what our Pramila Rani ma'am's dream for the children. So we want to be a school with difference. I hope already you witnessed as this annual day is looking like a 5th year annual day. I never ever seen first year annual day is celebrating this much of organized, this much of effort. These all I never ever seen in my career. And this credit goes to entire the team of Himalayan branch. And we believe in the excellence. We believe in the organizing things where value stands with. The Step the School as well as Vasishta schools, our core theme is we are giving education in a 3 dimension. One is children's holistic development. It means personality development in one fact. Other thing, academics and forthcoming future competitive exams, we will prepare them here only. Third thing, it's the most important. We are imbibing the Indian culture, heritage, family values, which is lacking in many more institutions. These 3 in the same organization, you might not seen. Maybe one is lacking in one organization, one is they will keep more and more hope on that. But we are focusing all the 3 to prepare the children as a future good human being and good citizen of India. For that, we designed very good, unique curriculum which will be witnessed by you as of now. Since 1 year, you are traveling with Himalaya Vasishta School of Ameerpet. We never compromise to give any co-curricular activities, extracurricular activities for the development, holistic development of the child. Within the span of time, within the 8 periods of school day, we are including all the curricular activities, co-curricular activities. We are not only giving the curricular activities just like that. We are taking the feedbacks, we are conducting exams in that also, which is giving more and more confidence in the parent. This won't happen just like overnight. Behind this, to prove ourselves in the first year, we put lots of effort. That credit goes entire team of Vasishta Himalaya branch Ameerpet. I request everyone to give them a big round of applause. Now, I will give a big round of applause for all the parents who believed us in the first year itself, who believed us, who make your children to be a part of our curriculum. And I promise you, we never ever give any adverse or any other opinions or things in front of you. We are taking our children better than any other human being, better than any other citizen, and we are training them to stand any circumstances in the society, to be individual, to be face the challenges without any hesitant. I hope already you've seen the boarding outside. Sri Vasishta Junior Colleges, within short span of time, 4 years, our madam proved themselves and we reached very high. Within the 4 years, we established many more branches. The same manner in the schools also, while taking the team into the board, we are conducting several types of interviews and we are thinking the teacher should not only the content knowledge. We are seeing she should be like a mother to the children. In the school hours, she should take care, she should counsel the children, she should be back of them. These kind of team only step into our organizations. Already we expanded 6 branches. We recruited all the principals and 3 branches in the running with the high success rate. And within the 1 year, we got 250 admissions for Amirpet. Means it's not a simple thing. And next academic year, we are proving ourselves, and year by year, we are giving the enhancing knowledge for the children. We are thinking what kind of education, what kind of support we have to give the children for the global requirement is our main aim. And I wish you all the best, wish you all success. All the children, this is the first annual day, very important day in the school calendar. Enjoy yourself. God bless everyone. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Razma ma'am, for beautifully capturing the essence of Sri Vasishta, whether it is the values-based education, holistic development, or our power-packed curriculum. She beautifully captured all the distinct features of Sri Vasishta, the group, in her speech. Thank you, ma'am.
Some leaders work for a position, but some leaders work for a purpose. Today, we proudly speak about a person whose only mission is the student success. Our respected Dean, Shrikant sir.
He's a warrior for academic excellence. Whether it is planning, execution, or monitoring, he goes into every small detail because he believes success is hidden in details. And we have seen his detail-oriented approach while planning for this event as well. He's an active facilitator of our foundation classes for competitive exams. While others see results, he sees preparation. While others see marks, he sees effort.
Yeah. He constantly pushes boundaries, fights for quality, and ensures that every student receives the right guidance at the right time. At such a young age, his dedication, discipline, and vision have already taken him to great heights. And this is just the beginning, sir. Your commitment inspires the staff, motivates the students, and strengthens the institutions. Sir, with immense respect and appreciation, let us welcome the Dean, Sri Vasishta Group of Schools and Colleges, Shrikant sir.
Good evening, respected Chairman ma'am and GM sir and all dignitaries who are present in dais, and especially lovely children and respected parents. Generally, in these days, education becomes very commercial in general. But under the guidance of visionary leader Lingamaneni Pramila ma'am, the education is not commercial. Education is for only all-round development of the student. All-round development of the students is one of the main goals of our school. We believe education is not only for about academic excellence, but also building character, confidence, creativity, and physical fitness. To achieve this, our school provides a wide range of activities that helps students grow in every aspect of life. Our school follows CBSE curriculum from grade 1 to grade 5, building a solid base in core subjects with conceptual clarity and activity-based learning. We believe that early education should not only focus on the marks, but also understanding creativity and confidence. From grade 6th to 10th, along with the regular academic curriculum, we offer a special Olympiad Foundation program. Generally, IIT Foundation in other schools and Sri Vasistha School difference is just a motto. What is the motto of Sri Vasistha School? Sri Vasistha School IIT Foundation or Olympiad Foundation program is not for the IIT NEET, not only for IIT and NEET. The foundation program of Sri Vasistha is for preparing or increasing the skills of the students to face any competitive exam. That is the motto, the difference between others foundation program and Sri Vasistha. So, for example, we guide them to participate in prestigious Olympiads like SOF. Already from Himalayas, we receive 30 gold medals from SOF, Science Olympiad Foundation, and Indian Talent Olympiad Foundation and CNAPS. At our school, we strongly believe that education is incomplete without co-curriculum development. Along with the academics, we provide a wide range of activities that nurture every child's talent and interest. In our communication, a special designed communication skill program, we focus on practical and real-time learning. Students actively participate in role plays, group discussion, presentations, mock interviews, storytelling, debates, and anchoring activities. Through these real-time activities, they gradually overcome stage fear and build strong self-confidence. In addition, we organize educational tours, field trips, seminars, and workshops to give students practical exposure and real-world learning experience. Through these academic, physical, culture, and social activities, our school ensure the all-round development of every student, preparing them to become responsible, confident, and a successful individual in future. And especially for any competitive exam, especially like after intermediate or any competitive exam, generally student need 3 qualities. The quality number 1 is analytical skills, number 2 is logical mindset, number 3 is memory. So from 6th class onwards only we focus how to increase these 3 qualities in the each and every child. So once again I request all the parents to focus more on here, and Sri Vasistha the school, Himalaya Black Amirpet, in future we are going to introduce one program, CO program also. So thank you, and thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. You would have seen in his speech how he is so specific about every fact. That's the facet of his personality we see almost every other day. Thank you, sir. Thank you for those words.
Thank you, sir. Behind every strong institution, there stands a strong pillar. Today, we proudly speak about one such pillar of strength. He began his journey as a lecturer, became a dean, director, and today serving as our respected general manager.
He understands the pulse of every staff member, every student, and every situation. In challenging times, he stands calm. In success, he stands humble. Plan the work and work the plan is the motto that he lives by, and has also instilled the same focused approach in all his mentees.
With respect and warmth, please welcome with a huge round of applause General Manager Sri Vasistha Group of Schools and Colleges and General Manager Steps the School, Vamshi sir.
Teachers, please అక్కడున్న స్టూడెంట్స్ని కూర్చోబెట్టండి ప్లీజ్. Chairman ma'am going to speak within a few minutes, which is very valuable for all the students as well as parents. Staff, please, quick. టీచర్స్ ప్లీజ్ వాళ్ళు అక్కడ సెట్ చేయండి ప్లీజ్. డోంట్ సెండ్ దెమ్ బ్యాక్. బాయ్స్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్ ప్లీజ్ సిట్ డౌన్. ప్లీజ్ టేక్ యువర్ సీట్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Respected Chairman of Sri Vasishta Group of Schools and Colleges, Srimati L. Pramila Rani ma'am, and all the dignitaries on the dais, as well as before dais, teaching, non-teaching staff, respected parents, and my dear lovely, sweet students of Amirpet Sri Vasishta, the school, good evening everyone. And hearty welcome to Amirpet Sri Vasishta School Annual Day Celebrations Namaskriti. And there we mention a tribute to all the parents, not only from your son or daughter, a tribute from Sri Vasishta Group also. Today, not only just annual day of Sri Vasishta, but also it's a celebration of gratitude. Namaskriti. Namaha means salutation. Namaskarinchatam. Skriti. Kriti means offering. Kriti means offering. ఈ రోజు ప్రోగ్రామ్కి నమస్కృతి అని పేరు పెట్టడానికి కారణం, ఏ కండిషన్ లేకుండా అన్కండిషనల్ లవ్ చిల్డ్రన్కి ఇచ్చేది పేరెంట్స్ మాత్రమే. యాక్చువల్గా ఇది స్టూడెంట్స్ వినాలి. స్టూడెంట్స్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్కి హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ది మెంబర్స్ రెడీ అవుతున్నారు. అన్కండిషనల్ లవ్ గివెన్ బై ఓన్లీ అవర్ పేరెంట్స్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ డే ఆఫ్ ట్రిబ్యూట్ టు ఆల్ ది పేరెంట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. సో స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎక్కడున్నా, ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ దెమ్, all the students once stand up. If they are small kids, teachers help them. All students stand up, because now we are going to salute your parents. All the students, wherever you are, students meer ekkarunna, stand up and say Namaskriti to your parents like this. Salute to your parents. Salute to your parents. You can't see your parents. Everybody look here, look here, look here, this side. Students, Namaskruti, salute your parents, and if you are beside your parent, touch their feet and take blessings. If you are not with your parents, after reaching them, touch their feet and take blessings. And sit down, please sit down, please sit down. Not only from the students of Sri Vasishta to their parents for giving them birth, every facility, etc. Also from Sri Vasishta Group, Namaskruti to all the parents for giving us this opportunity. Ours is a new school. ఒక కొత్త స్కూల్ని మీరు ఎంకరేజ్ చేశారు. మేము ఎప్పుడూ అది మర్చిపోము. ఇప్పటి వరకు ది బెస్ట్ ఇవ్వడానికి మేము ప్రయత్నం చేస్తూ వచ్చాం. And coming days lo, every day we try to improve ourselves in every aspect. Sri Vasishta Group of Colleges, established by our beloved chairman 4 years back. Right now we have more than 40 colleges, schools and colleges with a strength close to 10,000 students. 10,000 students. Maaku happiness nichedi aa number kaadu. Satisfaction of the parents. చైర్మన్ గారు కాలేజెస్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఎప్పుడు మాతో ఒక మాట అనేవాళ్ళు, ఈ చిల్డ్రన్, ఈ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇంటర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో, ఇంటర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్లో కాకుండా ఒక 3 years ముందు, 4 years ముందు, 5 years ముందు, 10 years ముందు మనం కనుక మన దగ్గరికి వచ్చి ఉంటే, అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఎవ్రీ స్కూల్ ట్రయింగ్ దేర్ లెవెల్ బెస్ట్, ఇక్కడ ఎవరిని కామెంట్ చేస్తుంది లేదు. బట్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో స్టూడెంట్స్ చూసిన పర్సన్స్గా మ్యామ్ ఏంటంటే, అంటే మా దగ్గరికి ట్రైన్డ్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ వస్తారు, ఆల్రెడీ కొంత ట్రైన్ అయ్యాక వస్తున్నారు మా దగ్గరికి. బట్ ఆ ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రాసెస్లోనే మా దగ్గరికి వస్తే ఇంకా బెటర్గా చేయగలుగుతామని పెద్దవాళ్ళని చూసిన పర్సన్స్గా మేడం ఫీల్ అయ్యి, విత్ ది హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ఎంటైర్ టీమ్ తనకున్న విజన్తో ప్లానింగ్తో అటు అకాడమిక్గా ఇటు అదర్ యాక్టివిటీస్ పరంగా తనకున్న విజన్తో ఒక ప్లాన్ చేసి శ్రీ వశిష్ఠ అండ్ స్టెప్స్ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ స్కూల్స్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. అలా స్టార్ట్ అయింది శ్రీ వశిష్ఠ అండ్ స్టెప్స్ ది స్కూల్. మేము స్టేట్ బోర్డ్ స్కూల్స్ని శ్రీ వశిష్ఠగా, స్టెప్స్ స్కూల్స్ని సిబిఎస్ఈ స్కూల్స్ని స్టెప్స్ స్కూల్స్గా మేము నేమ్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో ఆ ప్రాసెస్లో స్టార్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత ముందు మియాపూర్లో స్టార్ట్ చేసాం, ఆ తర్వాత మేము అమీర్పేట్లో స్టార్ట్ చేసాం. ఎంటైర్ టీమ్ వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు. రజ్మా మ్యామ్ డీన్ ఫర్ అవర్ స్కూల్స్ తనకున్న ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మొత్తాన్ని చైర్మన్ గారితో కలిసి ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో డియర్ పేరెంట్స్, ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ డయాస్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు గివ్ ఏ వర్డ్, మీకు ఒక ప్రామిస్, మీకు ఒక వర్డ్. యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ we all tried to fulfill the promises made by us. మేము ఖచ్చితంగా ట్రై చేసాం అండ్ ఈ రోజుతో అయిపోయింది అనుకోవట్లేదు. ఎవ్రీడే ఫస్ట్ డేగానే ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాము. ఇంకా చాలా చేయాల్సింది షూర్గా అన్ని ఆస్పెక్ట్స్లో చేస్తూ. వెన్ we started our school, we know pretty well, opening a school is not just about classrooms and curriculum. It's all about building character. It's about tradition. It's about building tradition. It's about inculcating values. It's about shaping futures. ఇవన్నీ మైండ్లో పెట్టుకొని ఇందాక ప్రవీణ మేడం మాట్లాడుతూ చెప్పినట్టుగా స్టూడెంట్స్ని అకాడమికల్లీ, సోషల్లీ, మోరల్లీ, ఎమోషనల్లీ డెవలప్ చేయడానికి. ఎమోషనల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ రావాలంటే గెలుపు ఓటమిలు చూడాలి, విన్నింగ్ అండ్ లూజింగ్, అందుకే కాంపిటీషన్స్. సోషల్ స్కిల్స్ డెవలప్ చేయడానికి మేము ఎన్నో యాక్టివిటీస్ చేస్తున్నాం. మోరల్గా వాళ్ళు స్ట్రెంగ్తన్ అవ్వడానికి మేము ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నాం. అకాడమిక్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో ఎస్ వీఆర్ డెఫినెట్లీ వీఆర్ ది బెస్ట్ అండ్ వీఆర్ ట్రయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్టెండ్ ఇట్. సో డియర్ పేరెంట్స్, షూర్గా మేము ఇంకా ఎవ్రీడే యూ విల్ సీ బెటర్ వర్షన్ ఆఫ్ శ్రీ వశిష్ఠ. లెట్ దిస్ ఈవినింగ్ ఆఫ్ నమస్కృతి బీ ఫిల్డ్ విత్ జాయ్, celebration and gratitude. Thank you very much. All the best, dear students. And my message to students, come, perform well. Tomorrow onwards, participate in your academics actively, participate in activities actively, and surely you will have successful life. All the very best. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank
and
you,
like sir rightfully said, this evening today, Namaskruti strive every day to fulfill the expectations of our beloved parents. Thank you, ma'am. I now request to come up on the stage Reshma ma'am, Principal, Steps the School, Miapur. Now request Principal ma'am and Teja sir to please felicitate our chief guest. I request Principal Ma'am, Teja sir, and to please felicitate Vamsi sir. The bouquet being offered to sir is handmade by our staff within a span of few hours. So they also deserve a special applause for that, for using eco-friendly material. I now request Principal Ma'am Teja sir to please felicitate Razma Ma'am. I now request Sri Vasishta Himalayas Block team to please felicitate Praveena Ma'am. Again, giving ma'am one of our handmade bouquets. Thank you. And I now request our team to please felicitate Srikant sir. And it is now time to felicitate our principal, Seshu ma'am. A rightfully deserved felicitation now for our center head, Teja sir. Teja sir usually doesn't like the limelight, but today is sitting in the center. And now it's time to felicitate our Vice Principal, Himalayas Block, Sneha ma'am. This is the bright smile I was talking about today morning. Thank you so much everyone.
To call upon Reshma ma'am, Principal, the Step School, Miapur, please come upon the dais. Padmaja ma'am, Principal of Step School, Pragati Nagar. Swapna ma'am, Principal, Step School, Bachupalli. Nazreen ma'am, Principal of Steps the School, Tellapur. Please come on the dais, ma'am, and give a big round of applause.
Come on, everyone, take a good look. It's not every day that you see so many leaders standing in one frame. Thank you so much, everyone. We now request you to take a seat.
Now comes the most awaited segment. Can you guess? Dance? Immediately, shall we go with the dance? Yeah, I am able to hear your voice now. Very good. Parents, shall we start the program now? Here I can audible my children voice very clearly than parents. Parents, shall we start the program? Yes, very nice, very nice.
We also would like to celebrate the efforts of our primary teachers.
We would like to recognize and felicitate our incredible primary teachers, the pillars who transform classrooms into caring spaces where learning becomes joy. They wipe tears, tie shoelaces, settle little disagreements, encourage shy voices, and celebrate tiny achievements with the same warmth and patience as a parent do at home.
I request Principal Ma'am to please come up on the stage to felicitate our pre-primary teachers.
I would like to request Principal Ma'am to please come on the stage and to do the honor.
Ma'am, let's invite our chairman ma'am also to felicitate
Yes,
our
ma'am.
primary teachers.
I would like to call our chairperson, Premila Rani ma'am. Please welcome on the dais, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I
it would
would
be
like-
huge honor for our pre-primary teachers to receive these mementos from you.
Please come, ma'am. Give a big round of applause, my dear parents and the students. Big round. I am not able to hear your sounds. I would like to call upon Kulsum teacher, Jayashri ma'am, Swadalata ma'am, Anusha ma'am, and Devi Pratisha ma'am. Please come on the dais. And I would like to call Principal ma'am. It was a great honor, ma'am.
Keep it. Look, be fast, ma'am.
Children, please be seated. All the children on the right side, please be seated there. of grade 3.
One group photo.
Thank you, dear teachers. We saw the wonderful performances and we saw you dancing along with the kids, inspiring them. Clearly shows your dedication. Thank you, dear teachers. Thank you, Pramila ma'am. Thank you, Principal
I
ma'am.
request all the children, please be seated. Shall we go with the next performance or not?
Thank you, everyone. Now, after that electrifying performance, it is now the time to once again recognize the efforts of our primary wing teachers for their dedication and patience. It is a recognition of patience that takes them from teaching phonics and tables to solving friendship disputes and occasionally finding missing water bottles also. Their multitasking skills are truly beyond excellent.
And to sprinkle some motivation to their dedicated nature, we now request Principal Ma'am to come on the stage to felicitate our primary wing teachers. Please welcome on the stage Hema Ma'am, Sanjana Ma'am, Rajini Ma'am, Nirmala Ma'am and Manasa Ma'am.
We request Razma ma'am to please come up on the stage.
Our beloved chairman Ma'am.
We also request our chairperson, Pramila ma'am, to please come up on the stage. Once again, parents, if anyone needs drinking water, we are providing drinking water outside the stage. Please help yourself.
Wow, you can see the photo here,
Beautiful
Sanjana Ma'am.
faces on the screen.
Miss Sanjana Power, primary English teacher. Communication begins with courage. Miss Salla Rajini Ma'am, primary Telugu teacher. निर्मला दीक्षित, प्राइमरी हिंदी मैम. अक्षरों का रंग सीखना, जीवन को सजाना. राइट निर्मला मैम? कुछ गलत है तो माफी.
She's silent today, but usually she is very energetic.
Miss Manasa, coordinator, bringing vision to organized action, look aftering all the children safe and secure, whether they are in the secure or not.
All the students, please take their seats. All grade 4 boys, please take your seats. Nirmala ma'am, smile.
Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, dear
ma'am.
teachers. Thank you, Pramila ma'am. Thank you, Razma ma'am. Thank you, Vamshi sir, Srikant sir, and Principal ma'am.
Please welcome with a huge round of applause Sujata ma'am, Maunika ma'am, Shobha ma'am, and Jyoti ma'am.
Request Vamsi sir and Srikanth sir to come up on the stage, and Chairperson Pramila ma'am
Ma'am, please come on the dais, ma'am.
on the stage to felicitate our middle school teachers.
I would like Teja sir also please come on the dais. We are really very sorry that continuously. Give a huge round of applause, my dear lovely parents. Empower, coordinate, and excellence. P. Sujata ma'am, max teacher. Play with numbers, excel in life. Isn't it? Yes. Benuri Maunika ma'am, high school science teacher. Experiment today, innovate your tomorrow. Yes, isn't it, science teacher? Yes. Shobha ma'am, high school social teacher.
Jyoti ma'am, our coordinator.
Jyoti ma'am, coordinator, empower, coordinate and elevate.
She can handle the crowd with ease, whether it is the students or prime minister sitting in the crowd.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Pramila ma'am, Vamsi sir, Srikanth sir, and Teja sir. Thank you so much.
Children. Ma'am, rest of the teachers' momentums.
Third floor and fourth floor. Fourth floor and coordinate.
Now, I would like to call upon high school teacher Max Navya ma'am.
Only pending teachers, ma'am.
B. Sunita ma'am, high school Hindi teacher. Give a round of applause. Vijay Lakshmi ma'am, high school Telugu teacher. Monica. I would like to call upon coordinator Lakshmi Vishala ma'am.
I now request Vamsi sir, Srikanth sir.
No, we all come because this is the last photograph. Call admission counselors also, we all come.
And I
Remaining
would
all.
like to call all admission counselors. Vijay Lakshmi ma'am, Salla Vijay Lakshmi ma'am, Mukesh sir, Roopsi ma'am, Radha ma'am, Ravi sir. And PT sir, Bhargavi ma'am, Roopsi ma'am. I would like to call all upon Mukesh sir also. Ashwini ma'am, Varsha ma'am. Radha ma'am. And yoga teacher, Kanti Rekha ma'am. Please come on the dais. I request parents, please wait for some time. There is one more performance of beautiful teachers here. So I request you once again, please be seated. Hope you enjoy the program today. Yes? No sound at all. Yes. Next, we'll...
Up
So
next-
please, parents and children, be seated. Here, the beautiful teachers with the energetic performance will be going to come now. Give a big round of applause. Here our teacher, beautiful teachers, excellent teachers, talent show up will be going on. Sri Vasistha, the school.
Coming up next is a performance that you would not want to miss. So please hold on to your seats.
All the beautiful young toddler teachers, pre-primary teachers, please come up on the dais. We want to see your energetic performance now and your talent here.
All our students, you are going to be the audience now. So please enjoy this privilege.
I would like to call upon Dance Master Anand sir and STEM Lab Raven sir. Please come on the dais. And I would like to call Communication ma'am, Amandeep ma'am. Hello. Our strength, dance supporter for the day. A big thank you for Anand sir. You made an excellent. The children was really performed very well. Thank you so much from Sri Vasistha, the school. Himalaya block. So we want to take a group photo with the teachers. Please come now.
Thank you. Thank you.
So much teachers.
Ramila ma'am.
Now,
Vamshi sir, Srikanth sir.
admission counselors from foundation to till now. You made the school grow up, a very good talent and a very good counselors, young and energetic admission counselors. I would like to call upon Mukesh sir.
What a performance, what energy. And all our parents and students, they've not really prepared for this, just in the spirit of leading by example. All those students who fear coming up on the stage, they are the live examples of how confidence is more important on the stage. Please give it up for all our teachers today. All those students who took the mics, please return it back on the stage.
Love you all, my dear students. Thanks for your appreciations.
Well, after that joyful performances, I now request on stage Center Head, Sri Vasistha, the school Himalaya block, Teja sir.
I would like to call upon Center Head Teja sir.
Tejas sir is a dynamic leader who truly believes that leadership is not about standing in the spotlight. Did you see that? He did not come up on the stage, but he is behind every performance that happened on the stage, quietly holding the light for others.
Teja,
He is the...
national anthem, then oath of thanks. Vote of thanks and national anthem. Okay, sorry Aman ma'am, carry on. Carry on.
He is the silent force behind the Himalaya block, always the first to help, but always the last one to claim credit. Behind every smooth event, every new initiative, and every milestone that Sri Vasishta, the school, has achieved, there is a silent guidance. With utmost respect, we welcome on stage our beloved Teja sir, who will now formally present the vote of thanks. I request parents, please, out of respect, please be seated. These are the last few minutes. Teja sir is presenting vote of thanks. There are a lot of students, teachers, and lot of people who have worked for this event today. We now request you to please take your seat for a few more moments. Sir, over to you.
Good evening to all the respected Chief Guest Pramila Rani ma'am, honorable dignitaries, respected members of management, dear parents, teachers and staff and beloved students. I am Teja Sai, Center Head of Sri Vasishta the school. It is a truly moment of pride, gratitude to the purpose of vote. Thanks on this very special occasion. Today is not just an event, it's a celebration of dreams, dedication and determination. Seeing our student performance with such confidence and joy fill our hearts with pride and hope for the future. First and foremost, I express my deepest gratitude esteems our chief guest, Mr. Pramila Rani ma'am. Despite your busy schedule, you choose to be with us today. Your gracious presence, inspiring words, warm encouragement, and deeply touched our students and staff. You have truly motivated your young mind, dream bigger and aim higher. And my heart thanks to our respected GM Vamshi sir, the backbone of our institute. Sir, your journey from the junior lecturer to general manager stands a powerful example of dedication and growth. And your leadership proves a strength and direction and stability to our organization. You are also the pillar behind our progress. I also sincere thanks to our respected Dean Srikant sir, who is always keen on delivering excellent education. Sir, your sharp focus on academic excellence, your attention to detail and your constant drive to ensure the student's success elevate our stand every single day. Your dedication inspires both the staff and students alike. To our dear parents, thank you for trusting with your most precious gift for your children. Your faith, encouragement, partnership inspire us, give our very best. The journey of the growth and success would not be possible without your support. My heart appreciation goes to our principal, a true visionary, and our vice principal, a dedicated steward, and our dedicated teachers. The patience, the passion, and endless hard work behind the scenes have shaped every performance we witnessed today. We have truly architects of our students' success. I extend my sincere thanks to our non-teaching staff, technical team, housekeeping staff, and volunteers. Your silent effort, commitment ensure the smooth execution and grand event. Your contribution is invaluable. And finally, my dear student, you are the soul of the celebrations. Your performance reflects the confidence, creativity, discipline, and teamwork. You made this event unforgettable and filled us with immense pride. As we conducted these celebrations, let us carry forward the spirit of unity, excellence, and gratitude. Thank you all for making this annual day very beautiful memory to that remain in our hearts forever. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. We will now be playing national anthem. I request all the dignitaries, all the teachers
All
to
the
please
teaching
come
staff,
up on the
non-teaching
stage.
staff, everyone please come and join with the national anthem.
All the students and parents, please rise for national anthem. Students, please stop running here and there. Let's maintain decorum.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा चञ्चल जलधितरङ्गा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you so much, parents. And thank you so much, children. And thank you so much, Premila ma'am. Your presence today, the whole time you have taken here. A heartful thanks from our Sri Vasishtha, the school ma'am. And thank you for all the principals from all the branches. All the beautiful principals over there. And a special thanks to our GM Vamshi sir and Dean Razma ma'am. And a special thanks to Srikant sir, Sri Vasishtha, the steps. And the strong pillar and the backbone. A very thank you for supporting me in all the ways centered at Teja sir. And I would like to thank Principal ma'am, my lovely Principal ma'am. Ma'am, never she says no for me. Heartful thank you ma'am for giving me this host. Thank you so much my dear loving parents. Have a great night.
Thank you, dear parents. Please have a safe ride home. Thank you for joining us this evening. Good night and Jai Hind. Thank you.
Yeah. Tomorrow, shall we go with the holiday or shall we run? Shall we go with revision? No, I'm not ready to give any holiday tomorrow. We have to go with revision. No? Okay. For parents' purpose, tomorrow it is declared a holiday. Okay, thank you, my dear lovely parents here.